This is Hefei, a city that had only 650,000 residents in 1980. Today it has expanded to nearly the size of Singapore, with its population skyrocketing to over 9 million people. Despite its rapid growth and key role in China's economy, Hefei remains relatively unknown to much of the world. But this is not an isolated case. Across the country, numerous megacities have emerged at an unprecedented pace, completely transforming China's economic and demographic landscape. While many other nations struggle with slow growth and uncontrolled urbanization, China has executed a massive urban revolution, turning once overlooked cities into modern hubs of technology, industry, and commerce. Today, over 800 million Chinese people live in major cities and urban areas, a staggering contrast to just a few decades ago, when most of the population was still spread across rural farmlands and villages. Historically, China's economic core was concentrated along the fertile plains of the Yellow River and Yangtze River, where daily life revolved around agriculture and small trading towns. At that time, only a few port cities and administrative centers had significant urban populations. However, beginning in the 1970s and 1980s, sweeping economic reforms triggered a mass migration as millions of rural residents moved to cities in search of opportunities in China's rapidly industrializing economy. Small, quiet towns have since transformed into mega metropolises filled with high-tech zones, towering skyscrapers, and world-class infrastructure. China now has more than 113 cities with populations exceeding 1 million, far surpassing any other country in the world. This rapid growth was no accident, but rather the result of a carefully designed urbanization strategy aimed at evenly distributing economic centers across the country. Previously, most major cities were concentrated around Beijing and Tianjin, but in an effort to unlock greater economic potential, China established numerous special economic zones, SEZs, shifting economic development toward the south and southwest. Massive industrial zones in Shenzhen, Xiamen, and Haikou became key economic drivers, accelerating the country's economic expansion. Beyond these well-known cities, smaller cities like Zhengzhou, Nanchang, and Luoyang were also upgraded into major technology and manufacturing hubs, attracting billions of dollars in domestic and international investments. Thanks to this strategy, China's economic growth is no longer concentrated in just a few megacities. Instead, it has been strategically spread across multiple regions, transforming previously underdeveloped areas into major economic powerhouses. Along with flexible economic policies, China has invested trillions of dollars in infrastructure, allowing many cities to emerge almost from nothing at a pace unseen in human history. Megacities like Shanghai, Beijing, and Shenzhen have become global financial and technology hubs. However, beyond these well-known urban centers, dozens of other massive cities have yet to receive the recognition they deserve. Cities like Hefei, Chongqing, Ningbo, and Guiyang have rapidly developed into major technology and industrial hubs, making significant contributions to the global economy. At this rate of development, it's likely that in just a few decades, these cities will no longer be unfamiliar names, but will instead become key players on the global economic map. One, Chengdu, a hub of innovation and technology population, grew from 3 million in 1980 to over 16 million today. A high-tech industry powerhouse home to major companies like ByteDance, TikTok, Foxconn, and Intel China. A thriving startup ecosystem with over 3,000 AI and biotech startups. One of China's top education centers, hosting Sichuan University and the University of Electronic Science and Technology. Home to Tianfu International Airport, the largest in Western China, facilitating global connections. Two, Ningbo, one of the busiest ports in the world population, grew from 500,000 in 1984 to 4.2 million, comparable to Rome and Montreal. A key hub in the Belt and Road Initiative, supporting China's global trade network. Ningbo Port is the world's largest port by cargo volume, handling over 1 billion tons of goods annually, a major center for petrochemical and chemical industries, with facilities operated by Sinopec and BASF. Home to over 20 advanced industrial parks, including Beilun Industrial Zone. 3. Chongqing, China's largest megacity population exceeds 32 million, making it larger than many countries. A leading automotive manufacturing hub, hosting major companies like Ford, Changan, and Lifan Motors. Strong economic growth in aerospace, smart manufacturing, and logistics. Home to China's longest bridge, the Yangtze River New Bridge, connecting key urban districts, a major site for military research and strategic scientific development. Four, Guiyang, China's big data and cloud computing hub population grew from 900,000 before economic reforms to 3.4 million. A leader in cloud computing and big data, attracting Foxconn, Microsoft, and Huawei. Dubbed China's Silicon Valley for Big Data, hosts the annual Big Data Expo, attended by Google, IBM, and Amazon. Expanding subway system, with plans to operate 8 metro lines by 2035. 5. Foshan, a global manufacturing hub population, grew from 750,000 in 1985 to 7.4 million today. Home to over 3,000 factories, making it the world's largest producer of home appliances. A major center for construction materials production, specializing in ceramic tiles and sanitary ware exports. The birthplace of Wing Chun martial arts and the hometown of Ip Man and Bruce Lee. Strong transport infrastructure, connecting it to Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and Hong Kong, facilitating seamless trade. 6. Xi'an, a high-tech and historical tourism hub population, grew from 2 million in 1980 to over 13 million today. The birthplace of China's aerospace and defense technology sector. The starting point of the ancient Silk Road, holding immense historical significance. Home to the Terracotta Army of Emperor Qin Shi Huang, one of the world's most renowned cultural heritage sites. Developing aerospace technology, UAV production, and satellite manufacturing. 7. Hefei, a center for scientific research and technology population, increased from 1.6 million in 1980 to over 9 million today. A leading hub for scientific research, artificial intelligence, and material science. Home to China's tokamak fusion reactor, artificial sun, marking a significant technological breakthrough. Headquarters of iFlyTech, BOE Technology, and Jack Motors, some of China's top tech companies. Strong educational foundation with the University of Science and Technology of China, USTC. 8. Wuxi, a key part of the Yangtze River Delta. Megacity population grew from 850,000 in 1985 to 3.3 million today, larger than Athens. Wuxi New District transformed the city into a major industrial and technology hub, a national leader in medical device manufacturing and biotechnology. UNESCO-recognized ancient canal system, playing a crucial role in China's internal trade. Booming tourism industry, featuring scenic attractions along Taihu Lake. 9. Jinan, a major technology hub in China population, grew from 1.3 million in 1983 to 5.6 million today, similar to Barcelona. Home to Panasonic, Volvo, and Sanyo, with 27 skyscrapers shaping the skyline. Hosts China's largest underground spring system, creating a unique natural landscape. Jinan High-Tech Industrial Zone focuses on AI, biotechnology, and semiconductor development, one of China's leading AI research centers. China is proving that there are no limits to development. These megacities may not yet be widely recognized, but their impact on the global economy is growing every day. Which city impresses you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to see more about China's urban marvels, engineering feats, or groundbreaking technology, tell us what interests you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Top 10 Discoveries Official so you never miss out on our latest videos.